Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel, guys. My name is Amara. Amarachi in full, Amara for short, Amenwa for short, Ame. Anyone you choose to call or follow, join, okay? So if today is your first day, just a little introduction. My name is Amarachi, a mother of 4, a wife here. You're welcome to my channel, and don't forget to click that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and click that button to support me, support my channel, support everything. Yes, and turn the notification bell on as well. And if you are a returning subscriber, you're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back to my channel. You're so much welcome every single time. Okay, so today what do we have going on? I'll be making one pot of delicious goodness by Fantastic Favour. Yes, so I wanted to make this recipe like long ago because it's been over a month that she posted this recipe, but I have this crazy virus called COVID-19 coronavirus. So I contacted it, and that has kept me behind from doing this recipe, but finally I'm doing very well. So guys, we'll go ahead and start this recipe. And I also thank you all that has been praying out, reaching out to me, like praying that for my speedy recovery. And thank you all so much. That was the time I commented on Fantastic Favour's the video that she posted. So, and also let you guys know that I have this virus, and a lot of people are like praying for me for speedy recovery, and I so much appreciate all the love, all the prayer. May you all be blessed as well. May you all stay safe as well. So don't get this virus at all. Don't get it. Stay safe. So we'll be making the recipe for today, which is the one pot of delicious goodness. Yes, guys. So please, I hope you enjoy, having me this copycat recipe. Yes, it's called copycat recipe. So I hope you enjoy watching me make this recipe, and don't forget to support my channel. I'm Amara, a mother of 4 and a wife. So guys, let's go and get cooking. Right, I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients to you guys that I will be using. So that's what we're gonna do first. Let you guys know every single thing that I'll be using for the recipe before we start cooking. Stay tuned and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. All right guys, stay safe, stay safe. Yes, stay safe. Make the show on to subscribe, bro. Subscribe on, then only a thumbs up. Okay, one. Can you guys see when? All right guys, I'll go ahead and introduce all the ingredients that I have here to you guys. Starting off, I have my mackerel. So this is my mackerel fish. I already cut them up and washed them. And I have my grape tomatoes. So we call this grape tomato. I think she called it cherry. So, but here in US we call it grape tomatoes. And I have my spinach. I have my spinach. So I'll go ahead and defrost this in the freeze in my microwave. And I have my cabbage. So this is the cherry tomatoes. I already cut up some of them. And the chopped onions. So I have the red and the the purple and the white one. And I have my coconut oil, my organic coconut oil. And right here I have my mixed bell pepper, the green, the red and the orange one there. And she said I can use fresh tomatoes if you want. So I'm using fresh tomatoes in that they can hear also. So I'll be using these tomatoes as well. And for my seasoning, so these are my seasoning that I'll be using for today. So I'll be using nutmeg, curry powder, some salt, 1 nutmeg, and she used ariosto. I don't know if I'm saying that right, ariosto, but I don't have that, so I'm using chicken masala, which tastes good as well. So those are my seasoning and my ingredient. And here I have my ginger. Sorry, is it ginger or garlic? I have my ginger, so I always freeze them up, and when I'm ready to use them, I just bring them out and use something and grate as much as I want. So that's what I will be doing today. So guys, let's start cooking. All right guys, before I start cooking, I just realized I don't have time. But I will be going to my garden to cut some rosemary. I'll use rosemary instead of thyme because I don't have time. But I'll also be using Italian seasoning because Italian seasoning also have some thyme in it. So I'll add Italian seasoning, and I'll also add some fresh rosemary as a substitute to the thyme that she used. Since I don't have it, we'll have to deal with what we have, right? Right guys, let's get back inside. So right now I have my skillet pot. I'll go ahead and add some coconut oil to that. I'll just leave that to melt up. Once my coconut oil is well heated up, I'll go ahead and add my ginger and onions. I'm so sorry about the background noise guys, so I hope you guys understand. Okay guys, here I have my tomatoes. So I'm using the fresh tomatoes. Like you said, you can use fresh tomatoes if you want. So I'm using the fresh one. All right guys, after letting the tomatoes to cook for like 5 minutes, so I'll go ahead and add I know she used thyme, but I think I ran out of thyme, so I'll be using Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning also has some thyme in it, so I'll go ahead and add some of that. And I will be adding the fresh rosemary that I just got from my garden. So this is just fresh rosemary that I just plucked from my garden right now. So I'll be adding that as well. And I will add my nutmeg. So guys, if you guys have not checked out the video that I made on my garden, please go ahead and check that out. You'll love those gardens. Next guys, I know she used zucchini, but I'm not in a very good time with zucchini, so I'll be using a squash. So I have that squash, and I'm using this half of it, so I already chopped that up as well. So I'll go ahead and add the squash. Oops. So I'm not a very good fan of zucchini, so I'll go ahead and use the squash. I love squash better. So after adding my squash, I'll go ahead and add the mackerel. I know she did not add the head, but I'm adding the head. The head is the favorite part that I love in my fish. The masala, chicken masala. So this tastes very nice as well. So I'll go ahead and add just a little bit of that. And I'll add my curry powder. Go ahead and sprinkle in some. And I'll add my nutmeg. And the last but not the least, I'll go ahead and add some salt. I know I'm not putting this in order, but the most important part is that we're putting all the stuff in there. And go ahead and add in some water. to help that out. So I did not add a lot of water to this, guys. So I'll go ahead and add my pepper, my bell peppers. So I'll also add my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll go ahead and stir this up properly. So I'll go ahead and cover this up and let it cook for 5 good minutes. All right, guys, it's been like 5 minutes now. Look at those vegetables looking so nice, and my squash. So yes, it's properly cooked. My squash is cooked. So I'll go ahead and add my cabbage. I'll go ahead and mix that up properly. So after properly combining the cabbage, I'll go ahead and add my spinach. So the spinach has a lot of water in it, so I have to like squeeze the waters out because I don't want it to be too watery as well. So once the spinach is combined properly, I'll go ahead and add my cherry tomatoes. All right, guys, I'll go ahead and cover this up again and let it cook for 3 minutes, and we are done. Support your girl, okay? I beg, make it just go click on that place where they write subscribe. Click on the subscribe, and also make sure say you turn this notification bell, turn them on, and give this video a like. Oh, you know what? All right, guys, this is it. It's all done. Go ahead and turn my stove off. This is done. Just take a look at that. Smells so good. Oh my goodness. Now I know the smell Fantastic Favour is talking about. This smells like heaven. Even if I haven't been to heaven before, I don't know how heaven smells. But this food for sure smells very good. Just take a closer look. Smells so good. So good, so good. All right, guys, look at that. So this brings us to the end of this recipe. So I hope I tried, I tried my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe as well. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. All right, guys, thank you all for watching and staying till this time. So I hope you enjoy, watching me make this one pot of delicious goodness. So, and it turned out to be so good, and I had a lot of fun making this recipe, guys. So don't forget to subscribe. So let's take a look at it. And my favorite part, which is the head. I cannot eat mackerel and throw the head away. That's my favorite part. I'm the last child in my family, so each time they make food, I always get the head. Isi azu, isi okoko, oku okoko. That's what I always get. so I'm used to eating it. So that's my favorite part. Yeah, so guys, I can't wait to dive in. This plate is kind of a little hot. There. Whew. Jesus Christ. So I can't wait to dive into this food, guys. That tastes so delicious. And I added a lot of spice. A lot of Scotch bonnet pepper. It tastes so amazing. All right, guys, thank you all for spending your precious time with me in my kitchen today making this delicious recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it, because I really did enjoy this recipe. Well, I enjoyed this recipe past everybody. I enjoyed this recipe past Fantastic Favour. I tell you the truth, I enjoy and well. So guys, wanna go subscribe. If you see your subscription button there, just go there, go click on. Yes, subscribe, support me for this channel, and you get more of my recipe, more of my cooking, more of my things, a lot of stuff going on. All right, guys, thank you all once again, and I really appreciate all your support and every prayers and everything that is going on. So guys, make sure you stay safe. This virus is not a joke. It's very deadly. I thank God for my life and for my family. My husband actually got it as well. So I thank God for us that we got it and we did not end up like a lot of people out there. So we all need to stay safe, pray for this virus to actually go away. We need this virus to leave, to go from wherever it came from. It has to go back. So guys, let's keep praying for God's intervention so we'll all be free and have a normal life, so we don't have to like be wearing all these masks whenever we're going out, or wearing masks, or wearing gloves. We need to go back to our normal way of living. So let's keep praying and hoping that God will answer our prayer one day. So guys, stay safe and stay blessed, and I will catch you guys again on my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on. So for now, bye, ciao.